This is my sister playing with my race car. Go, Elena. We need to be with the car. It's fine.
No, something just flew in there.
It's fine.
Are you still recording?
Yes. We need to do it in the shade so we can see the car where it's going. What? No.
Oh, bring it back.
No. Yes.
Yeah. Let's go this way, right?
No, not there.
Oh.
Race it around this area.
Okay. And not where the duck poo is.
Yeah. Well, it's dried up anyways.
Oh, I want a super 5.
Then press the button. No, don't crash my car. Don't crash it. I cannot hear you.
Pick the car up and turn it over there.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at the cat. Elena, let's go. Elena, let's go. Pick the car up and put it on that one and then race it around here. Over here on this sidewalk. We're coming back. Really?
Oops. Go back. Over. Over. Good. Bro.
No,
What?
it's broke.
What do I do now? Oh.
This, there, and all the way.
Now where do I put it?
I don't know. Let's keep going until we have no sidewalk. Not that fast, Elena.
We still got us tired of that.
And now back. Now back. No. Wait! We're... Elena, not that way.
Trying.
Elena, are you serious? That's how you break someone's toys. Elena, let's go.
Yeah, come on before Nana gets pissed.
You can't say that on YouTube, Elena. Come on, Elena.
Is the cat still there?
No.
I don't know which one I was doing.
Really?
Which one was it in?
Alright, take the car and put it on that one. This is where the cat was.
Well, there's no cat.
Yeah, I know.
Tell me when you see cat.
No, we're not seeing cats. Just focus on the car. And by the way, people, if you don't want to like or subscribe, please don't. If you don't want to, but please like or subscribe. This is for my heart. I'm about to die soon.
Oh, there's a Ethan.
Alright, let's go. We're gonna go to Nana now. And please, guys, please like and subscribe. I want to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the month.
Why'd you say you're dying?
I never said that. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not dying. But still, like and subscribe. My heart depends on it. I need 50 subscribers so I could go live with Insufficient Gamer. Shout out to him. And his whole family. Not in the grass, Elena. Elena, stop picking it up.
Bro, there's stuff in the wheel.
Just leave it.
That's how it.
That's not how it works. That's not how it doesn't work. You're doing it on purpose. You're picking it up. You just did that on purpose again. Alright, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Peace out. Drive it into the grass. Let's see when it's ending. When you know it's ending.
Drive it in the grass.
Drive it in the grass just for this quick video outro. Bye, my cross.